not enough people can hear the type of music that you saw today. It's a very special type of Hawaiian music that the tourist doesn't get to see when they come to Hawaii unless they come to Hula's, because frankly there's no place else to see this type or style of presentation anyplace else in Waikiki. There used to be a couple of places on the beach, but they're no longer there. Without this big magnificent banyan tree that we have here, we probably wouldn't be doing it either. So we always say mahalo to the banyan tree too.
Aloha, yeah, and here we got our lovely young ladies, the other young classes known as the Liko class from Lehua Dance Company, and they share with you a song entitled Pua Mamane. Of Lehua Dance Company. Thank you, ladies. Mahalo.
To try to define Hawaiian music is very difficult because there are as many definitions, I suppose, as there are people. My own concept of what is Hawaiian music revolves again around the language. It should be in Hawaiian language or mostly in Hawaiian language. And if it's going to be of the so-called himene type of music, it has to have, from my point of view, the feeling of Hawaii, which means love of the land, celebration of people. The text has to have some kind of an honoring quality about it. And the music, the sound of the music itself, usually means a fairly rhythmical kind of music that, if not danced to, at least you can gesture to or nod your head to, or maybe even tap on your beer bottle if that's what you're up to.
Aloha Kauai, a song written by Auntie Mikey Aiulei. And we feature the beautiful voice of Mr. Sam Bernard, Mr. Clyde Lono, and myself as we share this special song with you.
Aloha.
beautiful island, oldest princess in our island chain. For she said, here at Luana, you may sit, relax, enjoy, as it welcomes strangers and kamainas alike. So we say, this is the end of my story of a beautiful love song for this beautiful island, name that is forever called Kauai. Thank you, ladies. Mahalo and Nuila. We'd like to close the song with a special song from the island of Maui, featuring Cousin Sam again. Once again, on behalf of Hula's Bar and Lace Stand and our Backyard Bash, to all of you, thank you for joining us this afternoon.
Mahalo.
Mr. Clyde Lono on guitar, Mr. Sam Bernard on ukulele. I'm Kalana Kasparovich, your host of Basement. The song entitled Gallo Kalona.
Boy, I'm enjoying San Francisco. It's fun being Mexican.